Is up, everybody? Back here for another vlog, and today our whole goal of the day is to prank Ashley. That's our whole goal for today, so we're going to try as hard as we can all day. Other than that, it's a regular vlog. See you later. I see friends shaking hands. I'll lock him out. He can let himself back in.
Are you recording?
Yeah. So I just broke my camera. So I just broke it. Is this on me?
No. It's on your chest.
Is it on me now?
Yep.
Hey. Hey. Welcome to my YouTube channel.
That looks cool because you can see your reflection in the computer. So you have two faces.
What are we going to do today?
Sing.
No. Not singing. We didn't clean the whole house.
We did dust.
We didn't dust. God. Oh no, what are we gonna do? We didn't dust yet.
Give me a drink.
Get yourself a drink. Jesus gave you 2 legs.
He gave you 2 legs to get my drink for me.
He didn't give me 2 legs to get your drink for you. What do you want to drink, lady?
Diet.
Diet.
Beer mix.
Diet. I just did the dishes. And now you're going dirty? Where is it?
In the living room.
Oh, in the living room.
On top of the fish tank.
Where it shouldn't be.
But I have
Nice.
to rinse out because there's apple juice in it.
Oh. What a surprise. Oh. How lady of you. How ladylike of you. Mmm. Yummy. Huh, Fuzzy? Yummy. Yummy in your tummy. Yeah, run away, Fuzzy. Hmm? Yeah. Yes, I do. Yes, I do, Mildred.
I am not Mildred.
Yes, you are, Mildred.
Did you rinse it out?
Yes, I just rinsed it out.
Close to your face.
I'm aware that I get too close to my face. I'm not used to it yet, still. I've only done 6 videos. 5 videos. You should just be my cameraman for me.
I have been.
You should be my cameraman every time. Every time we make a video. Excuse me, Roxy. Dogs, dogs, dogs. Gotta get the lady a drink. Dirty. Hey, that's your last one. Just so you know. Just so you know. Just so you know. I'm in a hurry to get things done. No, rushing till I know. Today's gonna be an awfully boring day. With nothing to do.
I'll sing to you.
I don't want you to sing to me. I want you to turn whatever that is off.
This is a commercial.
A what?
It was a commercial.
A commercial? Are you on YouTube? Watch this guy named Michael Adams Vlogs. Why? He does not suck. I watch him every day. Probably a lot better if he came out with a video every day. He doesn't though. Is that far enough away? Is that far enough away?
Your eyeball.
My arms get tired. How does everyone do this? How does everyone do this all day? We don't care. I just want to stand and put it on. I'm just going to put it on a tripod and carry around a tripod with me everywhere. Can it see me?
Your belt buckle.
Wait, I know. Pull it on that would.
Probably not. It could be your chest.
Can it see me? Hardwood mud jug, brand new mud jug, boner mud jug. I love it so much. Look, the details in it, it's pretty. Where are we at? Dang. Almost 7 minutes. When you see us next, we'll be outside.
Oh yeah.
Well,
Yeah, ew. Ew, her butt.
just kind of walking.
Why does her butt look... Oh, she's pooping again. Looks bloody. Ooh. Ugh, I can smell myself.
It'd be really awkward if I'm sitting here recording this pig and Tiffany and Ryan's looking out the window or something and I start talking to it.
Cool.
For everyone who didn't know, we have a piggy, a mini piggy, a mini fat piggy, Espen, ESPN.
Accepted your friend request.
Who?
Asa. ASA. Would you stop? Turn on some music or something. We'll dance.
I am not turning on music for us to dance.
Why don't you like me?
I do like you. Stupid.
You secretly hate me? You won't even dance with me?
This vlog's gonna suck. It's probably like a total of 8 minutes.
What if it gets the most views?
There's no way.
That'd be funny.
I'm gonna name it something to get a lot of views.
Like our first video.
That wasn't even
Sexual.
intended like that.
It was
Oh.
intended like our first video
Yeah.
vlog. Not our first time.
Dang. We also have 56 subscribers and 400 views now.
Wee.
Oh, and I found out how to make our own personal URL.
Cool.
I can't do it yet though. We have to have 500 subscribers.
Oh.
Yeah.
Well, that's gonna be a while.
Yeah.
Ow, she bit me. She's like, stop. Stop it right now.
We really need to find something to do.
We need to give her a bath. Because she stinks really bad. Oh man. Stop, I want to do.
You can't.
I realized that. I didn't notice there wasn't one right there. What are you eating? She just stopped, like, nothing. I'm eating nothing. Get out.
Whatever.
You can't see my secrets to everything.
Yeah. Right.
Stop! I know
What?
you have something.
I don't have anything.
Scoot over. Move your arm over.
I am scooting over.
Stop the arm. Move your hand over here. Over here. Move it over. Stop. Stop.
What do you think I'm gonna do?
That stupid air horn.
You think that's what I'm gonna do?
Stop.
You think I got the air horn?
Yes, you have something. What do you have?
Okay.
Go away.
What if I got other stuff when I was at
It
Walmart?
doesn't matter. It's only silly string. Don't get it all over the house.
Why? I gotta clean it anyway.
Exactly. Please,
Freaking out over nothing.
God. Why do you do this to me? Why do you hate me? Stop! You were getting ready to come out. You don't have anything.
Are you sure?
No.
You're not sure?
Do you want me to win this game for you or just lose on purpose?
Nothing in my hands.
That's what I thought.
There was something in my hand. It wasn't the air horn like you thought.
What was it?
I'm not telling you.
You suck.
For the future. You know what I want to do?
For the future?
You know what I want to do?
What?
Go into your parents' room with 2 of those ketchup packets and put them under the toilet seat.
No.
Why?
You can't do that stuff to my parents.
Why?
Because they'll get mad. Oh, we have to clean this up now. Nice job, Michael.
Whatever.
That's how it would be.
Don't talk about your parents like that.
I don't have to. That's really how they are. They're wussy.
Anyone ever had this stuff?
That's so Steve. Steve.
No. Stover.
Stover.
Russell Stover.
Oh, that said Steven on the back. It looks different
Stover.
on this side. Oh, I guess it doesn't. Nah.
Stover.
Also Steven.
I think all the good stuff's gone.
Nah.
Vanilla cream. Chocolate buttercream's gone. Orange cream.
There's another chocolate buttercream in there. I left it in there for myself.
Chocolate butter.
Don't look for it. I want it.
I'm just seeing if there's another one. Oh yeah, there is. There's another caramel.
You ate the last one! That's Mom's favorite.
Well, now it's
She
not.
got 'em. So crunchy.
I gotta eat it.
I'm so freaking close.
Have you ever watched Roman stop vlogging? Like turn his camera off?
Yeah, I watch the same videos as you. Why?
I was watching an interview he did on YouTube yesterday. And when he went up to the interview, he was vlogging everyone like this, right? Hey. And then when he started the interview, he pressed stop recording, turned it off, and threw it on the ground. And I was like, dude, dang, no wonder all your cameras break on you. No wonder you have to buy them every 6 months.